most frequently asked questions about sales funnels. So I just visited the website Answer Socrates and typed the word funnels, and I'm just going to answer the most frequently asked questions about funnels in this video. So if you are interested to know about funnels and what are the most commonly asked questions and what are their answers, then just keep watching this video till the end. And also, if you stay till the end, I have a special free gift for you. So let's just begin the video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics, and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that together we can build and grow our digital coaching and consulting business and achieve the dream of living the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just go and see that what are the top questions that people are asking about funnels on answersocrates.com. As you can see that I'm on the website answer the public, not okay. I'm on the website Answer Socrates, okay, and I have just typed the word funnel, and after searching I can see that there are so many questions people are asking about funnels, right? You can see that I can go on and on and on, and so many questions the people are asking about funnels, okay. So let's just do one thing. Instead of typing the word funnel, let's just type the word sales funnels, okay, so that we get even more accurate answers, more uh, targeted questions about our niche, okay. So now we have so many questions around sales funnels. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to I am going to pick few questions and answer them live, and these are going to be impromptu. I don't have any preparation. I don't have picked any questions before. I have just searched this thing in front of you, and let's just see that okay, what are the top questions that we can answer in this video. So as you can see, the first question is, how do I create a sales funnels, okay. So when it comes to creating a sales funnels, basically uh, there is a process of creating the sales funnels, okay. So first of all, you have to be very clear about uh, your product, the product that you are selling, what are its features, what are its benefits. Then you should have the clarity about what problem you are solving. The third thing that you need is you should know that what is the who is your target market, okay. Or I would say, what is your target market? Who is your dream customer? The customer uh, that you want to target. Okay, so you should have clarity about all these things. Basically, you should know that who is your dream customer. You should know that what are their pain points, what are their goals. Then you should know that what are the benefits and the features of your product, and also you should know that what problem you are going to solve with this product, okay. When you have the clarity about all these things, uh, then what you will do, you will write down everything so that you will have enough material, and after that you will start building the sales funnels, okay. And even before that, you will create few graphics that you need to do. You will write the headlines, you will write the bullet points that you are going to write down. You will collect the testimonials, you will write down all the frequently asked questions uh, about your product or service, and the most important thing, offer. What is your offer, okay. So before creating the sales funnels, just get the clarity about all these things, right? It's so much, right? And this is the biggest mistake I have seen many people do. When it comes to building sales funnels, they just directly jump and start creating sales funnels on the tool. But this is not the right way. The right way is, first of all, you should have the clarity about all these things, and you should create a doc a notepad where you will write down all these things. You will create graphics, and you will write headlines, bullet points, and everything. And only after that you will go to the tool and start designing your funnel. Okay. And one very important step that I forget to mention is you should know what funnel you are using. Okay, what is the structure? So that is called wireframing. What you will do, uh, you will create a structure of your funnel page by page. Okay, what is the first page? What is the second page? What is the third page? So how many pages are going to be there, and what is the purpose of each and every page? Okay, so you should have this thing. What is going to be your, if there is any bump offer, if there is any upsell, you will uh, plan everything before designing the funnel. And once you have all these things ready, you will go to the tool like ClickFunnels, you will go to the tool like system.io that I recommend. It's a very powerful tool. So you will go to these tools, and then you will start building the sales funnels. Okay, so this is the process. I think I have covered a lot in this question, and you got the clarity about building the sales funnels. Okay, now let's just go to and move to some other questions. So what is ClickFunnels? Basically, ClickFunnels is a tool which is used to build sales funnels, design sales funnels, and automate everything. Okay, then uh, okay, this is the same question. Sales. What is sales funnels in digital marketing? So sales funnels is basically a, step by step, a journey. I would say a journey on which you will take your customer. Okay, you will take your customer so that they will buy everything in a logical sequence, and they will become your customer. And the purpose is to increase the average order value. Okay, the purpose is to get to increase the average order value, and at the same time helping the person to get the right product, to choose the right product. So when you have designed your funnel in such a way where you are upselling the right product to the people, and you are uh, maximizing your average order value. Average order value is basically the amount of money the person going to spend on one go with your within your funnel. Okay, so when you do this thing right, this is what the sales funnel is. Okay, so this is sales funnel. So I think uh, we have covered what is sales funnels, we have covered uh, how to create sales funnels, and we have covered what is this tool ClickFunnel. Okay, now let's move on and see few other questions, a little different one. Okay, not the very common and simple questions. So are sales funnels effective? Yes, definitely yes. Sales funnels are very effective if you will use it in the right way. Okay, if you know the right uh, strategies, if you know that how to plan your funnel in such a way that it will actually move people to the next step. Okay, so yeah, it's effective, but if only if you have the right knowledge, and if you will use it in the right way. Okay, and definitely the sales funnels are legit. Okay, then important, definitely important. And do sales funnels work? Yes, they work, and they keep working in future as well. So don't worry about it. The only thing is that you should know how to use them. Okay, if you know how to use them, definitely they will keep working in future as well. Okay, okay, then uh, let's just see any other question which is looking a little bit different. So let's just see this how thing, uh, how sales funnels works. How do sales funnels work? Okay, so we have already covered how sales funnels work. And have we covered it? Okay, we have covered how to create a sales funnel. Uh, we haven't covered how sales funnels work. Okay, so sales funnels basically work on the principle of customer value journey. Okay, uh, or I would say it's a journey. Okay, it's based on the customer journey. Where what will happen, you will have a marketing funnel, and the people are going through the marketing funnel. Your dream customers, the people who could be your potential customers, uh, are entering on the one side of your marketing funnel, which is your content, which is your ads, and they will moving forward. Okay, and when at there is a point when they will be on the stage where they are checking out your products. They will be on your sales funnels. So sales funnel is a funnel where you are actually selling. Marketing funnel is a funnel where you are creating awareness and you are moving them slowly toward your sales funnel. So what will happen when the people will enter to your marketing funnel, and when they will reach to the point where there is a sales funnel, where they will see, okay, this is the product that you are selling. Then what will happen, uh, they will enter into the sales funnel, and the sales funnel will guide them and tell them about your products, about your services, what are your products, what is your offer, and how you can help them with that particular offer. So your sales funnels is acts like a salesman which actually sells your products, and it do it on automation, and at the same time it also do the upselling. It also ask them to buy more your products depending on their needs. Okay, so you will have upsells, you will have downsells, you will have order bumps, you will have the products on the back end that you will promote with the help of your back end funnel, which is your email marketing system. So it's a whole system which will present different products in front of them and try to sell. Okay, so this is how sales funnels work, and this is how you connect the marketing funnel and sales funnel. I think that I tried to explain it in shortest possible manner. It's a very long topic, but yes, I think now you got the point that how sales funnels work. Okay, so I think that we have covered a lot. Let me see if there is any more relevant question that we can answer. Otherwise, we will wind up this video. So, sales funnel software. Okay, sales funnel software. This is a thing. Many people, or I would say tools. This is a very common question. People keep asking about tools. What are the tools? What is the tool that I can use to build sales funnels? So there are various tools available in the market. You can build a sales funnel on a platform like WordPress, where you build your website. Okay, there are tons of plugins. There are tons of different uh, support systems that are available that you can use to build your sales funnels on the WordPress. Okay, but I don't recommend to build your sales funnels on the WordPress, because it makes the things a little bit complicated, and because of it you focus more on the technical part instead of working on your products, instead of growing your business. Okay, so if you have a person who can handle the tech part, definitely you can go with WordPress. But if you are someone who is doing it by yourself and who don't have a team or a person who can handle the tech part, I would highly recommend that you should use the tools like system.io or ClickFunnels, right? But uh, but my recommendation is always system.io, because as a solopreneur, as a person who is, maybe you are in a job, maybe you are in a particular, you are doing something, but you are also trying to build your business online. So if you are trying to build your business online, especially a coaching or consulting business, and you are a solopreneur, system.io is the best platform that you can use, because it's very affordable, and it's all in one platform which gives you a lot of it offers a lot. Like, you can have email marketing, you can host your courses, you can run your affiliate program, you can build your funnels. So many things could be done inside this tool, which is very simple to use and very stable platform. I'm using more than a year now, and I can see the growth and I can see the improvement they are doing. Okay, so definitely the highly recommended tool from my side. So now we have covered a lot. We have covered what is sales funnels, how to create a sales funnels, how sales funnels work. Okay, we have covered that. We have covered the tools. So now I think that you got a lot of clarity about funnels, and the most commonly asked questions about funnels are now covered in this video. And I hope that this video has actually helped you a lot understanding and knowing about funnels. So if you think that this video was useful, just don't forget to subscribe the video, subscribe the channel and hit the like button so that this video will be pushed to the more and more people. And also I have a tons of video about funnel marketing, about building a coaching and consulting business on my video. You can see a few of them on your screen as well. So just tap the card and start watching them right now. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you.